Let's evaluate these two integrals. First one, integrand is 1 upon 1 plus x square whole power 3 upon 2. We have expression 1 plus x square, so we put x is equal to tan theta. ठीक है ना? Or we can put x is equal to cot theta. Let's use x is equal to tan theta. So theta is equal to tan inverse x. So theta belongs to open interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Theta belongs to first and fourth quadrants. Okay. Put x is equal to tan theta. We get 1 upon tan square theta plus 1 power 3 upon 2. Okay. And dx is secant square theta d theta. Okay. So we put the value. Okay. 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta. Secant square theta power 3 upon 2 is secant cube theta. Okay. So we have finally here cos theta. ठीक है ना? Integration is sin theta plus constant c. Now we have to put the value of sin theta in the form of variable x. We have tan theta is equal to x. Okay, so we have this triangle. Tan theta is equal to x upon 1. Hypotenuse will be root 1 plus x square. So sin theta is x upon root 1 plus x square. So we have here x upon root 1 plus x square plus constant c. Okay. Now let's try this one. Now here also we have expression 1 plus x square. Okay, so we put x is equal to tan theta. Dx will be secant square theta d theta. Theta is tan inverse x, where theta belongs to open interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Okay. So this integral changes to this one. We have root tan square theta plus 1 upon tan power 4 theta multiplied by dx is secant square theta d theta. Okay. Now 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta, and root secant square theta is secant theta. In fact, root secant square theta is modulus of secant theta, but we write secant theta because theta belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 first and fourth quadrants, where secant theta is positive. Okay. So we have here secant cube theta upon tan power 4 theta. Yeah, gonna? Okay. Now change this to sin and cos. We have cos theta upon sin power 4 theta. Yeah, gonna? Okay. Cos theta is derivative of sin theta. Okay, so we have here sin power minus 4 theta multiplied by derivative of sin theta. Okay, integration will be sin theta power minus 3 upon minus 3 plus constant c. This is equal to minus 1 upon 3 sin cube theta plus constant c. Okay. Now we have to write the answer in the form of variable x. We have tan theta is equal to x. So once again we have this triangle. Okay. Hypotenuse is root 1 plus x square. So sin theta is equal to x upon root 1 plus x square. Put the value of sin theta. We get minus 1 upon 3 multiplied by 1 plus x square power 3 upon 2 divided by x cube plus constant c. The best part of learning through these videos is that you can learn or revise concepts anytime, anywhere with unlimited attempts. The content flow is in accordance with my JEE Advanced books. So if you have bought Cengage JEE Advanced books and are unable to understand any concept by merely reading from the book, then you can watch that particular concept video on Cengage Digital App and understand it with ease. In and all, I have developed 650 videos of approximately 350 MB.